Hi everybody, I'm back. It's Flora's Place Shop and I'm back with another video. I just got my Christmas stock in and I have another order to do a bicycle wreath. I've started and I've put my sign in and I've put my foam in to put all my picks in. I'm going to show you the back because I have cleaned it up. I got a little glue on the sign. I've wired it in, and now I've got my greenery in to cover the foam. So nice when you can clean it up. If you guys got any comments or any ideas and you want to share it with me, don't forget, give me the thumbs up and share it with me, and we'll go from there. So anyway, I've been this morning painting. You can tell by the paint on my hands. So let's just move right ahead on in. So I pre-made my bow, which I use some wire. And so we're going to start out with our bow. This is an order for a friend of mine. And I'm going to get some glue and put it in so make sure it stays in. You want to push hard down and you want to make sure that you can hear that foam crunch. And when you can hear that, oh, there we go. You push it down tight. No, that's not going to go. There we go. And then you can fluff it up. Like I had it all fluffed up the way I wanted it. But you can put it the way you want it. Now I picked this checker pattern so that it goes with the sign. And it's really hard to get signs. Sometimes you get them too big, you get them too small. But this is going to work really good, I think. Yeah. I'm just going to put that there. Okay, so I'm going to go in with something else that I've never tried before. I think it's going to work really good. I had this in my stash, and I thought, I'm going to try this. And oh my goodness, this is going to work out great. Look at that already. Okay, so I'm going to have you scan over my Flora's picks and my greenery. These are some of the stuff that I've already trimmed down, so obviously to make this video go a bit faster. So, and then we'll get right into it. So now I'm using some dried wicker balls, and I'm using Flora picks. They're little steel little picks. You can see them. And I'm just going to put them in, and then I'm going to put some glue on it so I know where it goes. I'm going to start out with the bigger things first, and then I'm going to put my greens in. So you just push in, and you can hold the back. Hold the back of the wire bicycle. Just hold the back and push. And just hold it for a bit. And, okay, so we're going to go in with another one. What I do is I stand back before I started this video, and I tried different things, and then I pulled them out. So I knew what to use with when I did this video, because obviously you're filming and you're going to make some mistakes, or I know I will. And these are really, really nice colors. So what I might do is go back. I have some bigger little picks that I can push it in and make them stay, because you want to make sure, because I like to shake my wreaths before I send them out. So if there's anything wrong or anything like a little steel pick that I'm going to just trim now, you want to make sure you have that all done. And the customer doesn't want to get it and it falls apart and then you get bad reviews. You know, nobody wants that. So I'm going to start out with one pick here, and I'm going to go in. Now this should go right in. You can hear it. I just want, and you know, no, I don't like that. Okay. I'm going to start with the bigger ones. Now you might want to trim it off. So you just always keep your, you have always a stash where you want to keep your leaves, your good leaves. Now that's a pretty good pick. So you might want to trim it a bit. I trim it on an angle. And then I get it in there and you'll hear it crunch. Oh, I like the sound of that crunch. Then I know it's gotten in there good. This might not need a lot, because with the feather and the bow and the sign, now you see how long that pick is? Now you got to think about it. How big was that foam before? So you want to trim that down. You don't want it to come to the other side. You don't want it to come out to the other side, because then you're going to have to trim that off too. Hold your bicycle and you'll hear it crunch. There we go. There we go. And you want to get it right in there. And then you just play around with it. Don't forget. See, I've only got 2 in there, so I'm probably going to put 1 more. And I'm going to start out with my some white nice flowers. See how long that pick is? We're going to trim that back on an angle. There you go. And you can hear it crunch. Now I have a tie down in the back, so it is on there. So let's start out with some white, some baby's breath, and we have these colors. Because this person likes black. She doesn't like a lot of, so I'm going to try these and hopefully they work. Like I said, always trim your flowers down. You'll know when you see it, you'll know. You can hear it crunch. See, just a little bit. Then you come and you stand back and you look at it. Okay, so I'm looking at this. There's no green in here, and I'm going to put another green. Some green leaves. These are the darker leaves that I have because she likes everything dark. So she's the customer. There we go. So you can see a little bit. Now you can see some green here. You move the feathers. I'm liking this. Oh geez, I think I'm going to make myself one. So where's everybody from? Leave a comment below. Tell me where you're from. I'm going to put one right in here. What kind of wreaths do you guys like? Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to do something with that, but there you go. Look at that. You might not have to do a lot with this. I mean, I think I'm going to put one over here, and it's longer. Because I have covered the foam really good and really nice, well, there you go. But when you look on the side, you want it done too, you know? You want to give it a little life there too. And I think I'm going to put one more down here. Right in here, in this area. I'm going to move that. Hold on to your wreath, and you hear that crunch. There we go. There she goes. There we go. So it's almost over the sign. Okay. I'm going to put this up higher so I can see underneath. You want to make sure you get underneath there. I'm going to go in with some baby's breath. Hear that crunch? So there's a little bit of baby's breath there. I'm going to trim off some. So we've got two different picks here. I'm just going to go in here, hold that, hear that crunch? See, just a little bit. You can see Home Sweet Home still, and you might want some over here. Just a little bit, and I'm going to put some right in there. Got a couple there. We've got a couple left. And you know what? I'm going to go right in between that bow because I haven't added a lot coming out. Just very, very little. See? Because when you open and shut your door, you might only have so much room. But she owns a condo, so this will sit on the condo door. Oh my goodness. Now I was thinking of adding some of this, but I just don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. This might be too much, but you can always take it out. There's just a little. I'm just gonna try this. Hold on to that wreath. Remember, find a spot, hear that crunch. There. Stand back. I think it needs something just in here. So I'm going to try it. And that might be a little bit too long. Go underneath. Whoops. Well, that can happen. That's not. You want to go underneath. You can hear that crunch. There we go. Just doesn't want to. Okay, so we've got here, here. I need something here. Oh boy, that's a lot. Cut that down a wee bit. I think I might call it a day. This looks good. Oh, I love that crunch. Well, everybody, I'm standing back and I'm loving this. So let Flora know what you think. You can cover that. You can put a little bit of glue there. Look at the feather over it there. Comment, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I got more to come, and my Christmas stock is in. So we're going to have fun, ladies. So follow along, and let me know what you think. And have a lovely day. Be kind, and God bless. From Flora.